We like to keep things relaxed at Zen Windows. So let's start with a simple question. Does shopping for replacement windows really have to be so annoying and stressful? You know what we mean, right? Long sales presentations, confusing options, and inflated prices. High-pressure tactics designed to make you buy now. To put it plainly, other window companies are behind the times. They don't get it. Nowadays, homeowners expect to shop for everything on their own terms, and we don't think this process should be any different. Let Zen Windows show you a more enlightened path to window replacement. What do we do that is so refreshingly unlike other companies? Let's draw back the curtain and reveal how we create window replacement magic. Now, when we say magic, we don't mean we will be pulling rabbits out of hats. There is no sleight of hand with us. Our magic comes from keeping the entire process calm and simple. It all starts with our famous 5-minute quote process. There's simply no more relaxed way to begin. Grab the phone and dial our number. We ask you a few questions, including why you are replacing your windows and what features are important to you. We'll use technology to bring up pictures of your home. In 5 or 10 minutes, you'll be off the phone. No stress, no hassle, no badgering. Within 1 business day, we'll email you a firm quote that we stand behind to the penny. No hidden fees or surprises ever. We'll also email links to product demonstration videos so you can make an educated decision. And of course, we are a phone call away if you have questions. After reviewing our quote and our product information, you take as much time as you need to decide. If you do hire us, you'll be pleasantly surprised to learn that we don't ask for money, not one single dime. That's right, we don't ask for deposits or prepayment. You pay after your project is done. And done right. We let the other window companies come to you with their hands out before they've done anything. That's our promise of accountability to you. You'll know Zen Windows will complete your project with top quality and efficiency, because we don't get paid until we do. Okay, we make the process easy. But what about the quality of our windows? We have multiple options depending on your taste and budget. But all our choices have one thing in common. They are top quality, rock-solid windows with a lifetime warranty. To give you just one example of how much we believe in our windows, we give you a free glass breakage warranty. If your kids throw a baseball through the window, we replace it for free. Rocks? Accidents? No worries. If anything breaks the glass in your windows, just call us up and we'll take care of it. For free. For life. So you see, there's a reason our name is Zen Windows. We make window buying easy and stress-free. Give us a call. We'd be honored to give you a quote.